back. In the previous video, you have seen how to use Staad RCDC and how to design the beams, slabs, columns, and footings in RCDC. And now in this video, we will see how to use Staad Advanced Foundation. And to use that, we can import the file when you open the Staad Advanced Foundation also, or you can just directly use the foundation design from the Staad Pro Connect edition itself. After running the analysis and design in the Staad Pro, which I have shown in the previous videos, and you can find those videos from the link given in the description also. Here you will see an option called foundation design, and I'm going to design for support for all the foundation. I'm going to use all the supports, and I'm going to select the load cases and load combination, and I'm going to include all dead load, live load, and the combination load of case 3, that is 1.5 times the dead load and the live load. And I'm going to click on here. This all the loads will be included here. If it shows all the loads are over here, which should be excluded. So and now I'm going to click on Staad Foundation Advanced. When you click on that, all the reactions of this columns and the moment, all the reactions at the support and the moments will be exported directly, including their coordinates and the column size as well. And now you can see all the footings you can see over here, including the direction of the loads and the moment. And here we'll go to the view, and we can switch the views to top or front or back view or side view or isometric view. We'll just keep it as isometric view. Any view is fine, because all the points, all the location of the footings and all the reactions, including the moment, are all being directly taken from the Staad Pro, which we have created in the earlier thing itself. We just go to job setup over here, and we just need to create the new job and apply the some values, that is the soil values we need to input. I'm going to give the job name as, and all the footings are isolated, and I'm going to use the Indian code, and I'm going to assign supports are assigned for everything, and I'm going to select all the supports. And I'm going to select to assign it to all supports. If you click on assign it to all the supports will be assigned. Now if you click on assign it to selected, only to the selected one it will be applied. Now I don't want, I will assign it to all the supports, and for the loading I'll choose all the load combination, and I'll click on create a new job, and the job has been successfully created. And now we'll go to the isolated footing parameters, and now we'll provide the some parameters, and the unit weight of RCC is 25, not 23. And here you can specify the minimum bar spacing and the maximum, and the yield strength of the steel, and the strength of the concrete I'm going to specify as M20, so it will be 20 Newton per mm square. So and now I'll provide the soil details, and the weight of the soil is okay, and I'm going to depth of the soil above 15, above the footing it is 1500, that is in mm. You can change the units also, and the depth of the water table also you can give, whichever one you can give. And the base value of soil bearing capacity is around 450 kPa. You can just change the units, and I'm going to click on design, and it will ask you to analyze or design. Click on yes, and will ask you to save. And now the Staad at foundation will design all the footings and it will show the calculations also. Even in Staad RCDC, it will show the calculations. In the reports, you will be having the option to show the calculations or the design summary. And now here it shows the details, and I'm not going to need this pedestal design since we have not provided any pedestal. And what are the details you don't need in this summary or the calculations, you just untake them. And here you can see the footing number, group id, and the footing geometry, that is the width of length and the thickness you can see, and the footing number reinforcement also you can see. Bottom in mz and mx, and the top reinforcement, and the top reinforcement is not there since the uplift is not there. If the uplift is there, then the top reinforcement will be provided, and since we have not added any pedestal, the pedestal reinforcement is also not applicable. And here it shows all the footing one elevation plan and all the details it shows, and the design calculations also you can check for all the footings also you can just show. And here you can see the GA drawing also. Okay, you can see all the drawings, you can see the footing width also, size, footing size, and the column number also you can see, and the footing number it has been marked. Okay, you can see, and here you can see the drawing schedule also, detailed drawing and schedule drawing also you can see. For schedule drawing you can see for all the footings, schedule will be done, and you can change the drawing details over here. And for the detailed drawing for each and every footing, a separate drawing will be there. You can see the elevation, all the things, and all the plan, front, top view for each and every footing you can see. And you can go to the calculations, and you can just have all the calculations and just verify. And that's it, and thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and comment below for any suggestions. Thank you.